Welcome to Viggo's Kitchen. Today we're going to be making chocolate caramel shakes. I'm going to introduce you to the items and the ingredients. First, you need a blender with a lid, half a cup of ice cubes, 2 scoops of chocolate ice cream, 2 cups of chocolate milk, 1/4 cup of caramel sauce or butterscotch sauce. I made this caramel myself. Doesn't it look good and thick? And it tastes really good with apples. Check out my video on how to make homemade caramel sauce. Let's get started. Now it's time to pour the ice cubes in. Next step is to pour the 2 scoops of ice cream. Doesn't it look good? Soon it'll be even better. Next scoop. Ready for duty. Next step is to pour in the chocolate milk. And the last step is to pour in the caramel sauce. There's a lot of caramel sauce. It's going to be great. Time to start blending. Make sure you hold the lid firm or it will spill every bit of it. With it, the lid. And now we're going to blend. Make sure you have a firm grip on the lid so it doesn't splat all over the place. And with it, the lid. Time to mix. Now it's time to mix it for about a minute, and then we'll be about blending. And it's going to be really delicious. Now let's take a peek. Really splattered there. Now it's ready. Time to pour it in. And time to move the things out of the way. And now it's time to pour. Now it's time for a little sip to see how it's going. It tastes so good. If you like this video, please press the like button and please subscribe. If you want to see more amazing videos, they'll be great. See you next time. Bye for now.